Home security cameras are no longer just about recording footage, they're about peace of mind. Whether you want to keep an eye on your front door, monitor your backyard, or protect a remote property, today's smart security cameras offer sharper video, smarter detection, and easier installation than ever before. From solar-powered models that run virtually maintenance-free to advanced AI-powered cameras that recognize faces and vehicles, there's a solution for every type of home and lifestyle. In this video, we've carefully selected some of the best home security cameras available right now. Let's break them down one by one. The Eufy SoloCam S340 is an excellent choice for homeowners who want complete outdoor coverage without ongoing subscription fees. It features a dual camera system capable of capturing ultra-clear 3K video, allowing you to see fine details like faces, license plates, and packages from up to 40 feet away. With 8 times hybrid zoom, you can focus in on important areas without sacrificing clarity. One of its biggest strengths is the 360-degree pan and tilt design, which eliminates blind spots when installed vertically. A single camera can monitor your front porch, driveway, and backyard with ease. Powering the camera is a removable solar panel, meaning once it's installed, it can run continuously with minimal maintenance. Installation is fast and completely wire-free, taking about 7 minutes. All recordings are stored locally, so there are no monthly fees or hidden costs. Combined with dependable customer support, the Eufy SoloCam S340 delivers long-term value and hassle-free security. The Aqara G5 Pro is a powerhouse security camera designed for users who want advanced AI detection and deep smart home integration. It records sharp 4-megapixel HD video with a wide 133-degree field of view and offers true color night vision using a large sensor and a built-in dimmable spotlight. Instead of relying on infrared, it uses visible light to deliver clearer nighttime footage and act as a deterrent. What truly sets the G5 Pro apart is its on-device AI processing. It can recognize faces, people, vehicles, animals, packages, and even detect lingering behavior. It also supports abnormal sound detection, such as alarms, barking, coughing, or babies crying, features that continue working even during internet outages. Beyond security, the G5 Pro functions as a smart home hub, supporting Zigbee and Thread while acting as a Matter bridge for Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Home. With encrypted local storage, RTSP support, and optional HomeKit secure video, it's ideal for smart home enthusiasts who prioritize privacy and automation. The TPLink Tapo 120 is proof that you don't need to spend a lot to get impressive features in a feature-rich security camera. Winner of the 2024 PC Mag Editor's Choice, this camera offers impressive value with 2K QHD 4-megapixel resolution, delivering crisp and detailed footage both indoors and outdoors. Its compact design and IP66 weather resistance make it suitable for harsh conditions, while the built-in magnetic base allows flexible mounting on metal surfaces without drilling, making installation quick and renter-friendly. At night, the camera's Starlight sensor captures bright, colorful footage, and dual spotlights provide extra illumination when needed. For discrete monitoring, invisible IR night vision is also available. The Tapo 120 includes free AI detection for people, pets, and vehicles, no subscription required. Full duplex two-way audio enables real-time conversations, and you can store recordings locally on a micro SD card or opt for cloud storage. It's an excellent all-around choice for budget-conscious users. The Arlo G2 is built for situations where traditional Wi-Fi cameras simply won't work. With support for both 4G LTE and Wi-Fi, it's ideal for vacation homes, RVs, boats, construction sites, farms, and other remote locations. Its completely wire-free design and rechargeable battery allow you to place it almost anywhere. Despite its flexibility, the Arlo G2 doesn't compromise on features. It offers live video streaming, motion alerts, color night vision, two-way audio, and a built-in spotlight. A micro SD card slot enables local recording, ensuring footage is saved even during power or network outages. A standout feature is GPS location tracking, which helps you locate the camera if it's moved or stolen. While advanced AI alerts require an Arlo Secure subscription, the core functionality is solid. If you need reliable security monitoring beyond standard home environments, the Arlo G2 is one of the best options available. That wraps up our list of the best security cameras for your home. Each option offers something unique, so the right choice comes down to your needs, budget, and home setup. Pick the one that fits your lifestyle and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with smarter home security. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.